Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. I've got these two Grommet Pliers. I love them both. They're really fantastic. And turns out me and the wife are huge grommeters now. We're gonna grommet some curtains. We're gonna do so much grommeting. It's really an easy process. I didn't realize how easy it was and how this is such a fun arts and craft process. Now these, you can see I loaded them very easily because it's a magnetic device. So all I have to do is put the magnets in. Now you can use either one. I'm using the one that has a little bit more ergonomic design. I really do like it. And we're just using a spare t-shirt for this example, but we're gonna make some curtains. So you just squeeze down and it places the grommet in place. You pick out the little extra piece of fabric and look at that. It's just that easy to make a perfect grommet every time with these Grommet Pliers. Now you're gonna wanna stick around. They both have their advantages. They both have the magnetic action. This one is a little bit lighter and smoother, and this one is a little more ergonomic. They're both a great design, high quality steel, and you're gonna love them. So what do I recommend you do? I recommend you pick them up. There's so many arts and craft projects. You could do like sleeves of shirts. You could make banners and hang those banners. There's so many things that you can do at a squeeze of a Grommet Pliers. So go ahead and pick yours up. Honestly, I would be remiss if I didn't have a pair of these for all sorts of arts and crafts for work. I could have used these the other day when I hung my no fishing sign, letting the wife know about that, because I didn't have two little holes in it. So I could have snapped these in and then put my nails in. I'm super excited about it. So many things you can do with them. Stick around for the up close portion of the video. I couldn't be more excited. But the key is, if you're asking me, should you pick these up? Heck yes, these are two of the best Grommet Pliers on the planet, and you're gonna love them. They're so much fun. Thanks for watching. Stick around for the up close portion of the video. All right, folks, now let's take an up close look at these fantastic BEAMNOVA pliers. You can see two different variations, and you're absolutely going to love them. First, let's look at this one. Now, what's really nice about this is they've got the magnetic top for your grommets, easy close, and then retract right there. Perfect amount of tension. It doesn't hurt your hands. Ergonomically designed. You also have this one right here. Slightly different design, less ergonomic, but more of your, just a smooth motion. So both great. Pick out the one that's best for you. The one on the right here comes with a hole punch, comes with a cushion for your grommeting, for your punching. And look at this. These guys come with 500 grommets. So if you've ever considered getting into the grommet business, now is your time. High quality and absolutely incredible. These cannot be beat. So yeah, folks, if you're looking for a great product, this is absolutely fantastic. It comes with everything you need, top and bottom pieces, high quality, and yeah, let's see if I can focus. There's 500 of those. Boy, it's hard to focus on tiny little things like that. There's 500 included. A great company, tried and true, and look at the quality. Look at how smooth the action is on these. I'm a big fan. Anytime you get a product that is made and designed with love, you can tell. You can just tell that they put a lot of effort into getting you a high quality product. So anyway, folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. I only show you products that I own and I love, and guess what? These are perfect for all your grommeting needs. If you've got some material that just needs those kind of holes punched in them, then these are going to be perfect for you. Get the one that you like. I gotta admit, I love this ergonomic design. This one does come with a punch, so some fun aspects there. Let me go ahead and focus again. Jeez, having a hard time with the focus. But anyway, folks, go ahead and pick yours up. You won't be disappointed. These are absolutely fantastic. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.